What if you could start investing without worrying about finding the perfect time to buy? Many people wait for the right moment to invest. They keep asking, should I wait for the market to go down? The truth is, no one can consistently predict the market. That's why many long-term investors use a simple strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA.
In today's video, DCA is, let's begin, how it works, its benefits, its risks, and how beginners in the United States can get started. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. For example, instead of investing $1,200 investing in prices are high, $100 every month.
Prices are high, your money buys fewer shares. When prices are low, your money buys more shares. Over time, this can lower the average cost of your investments and remove the pressure of trying to time the market.
The biggest advantage of DCA is consistency. It helps from investing. Many people panic when markets fall. Others become greedy when
both
markets
good
rise.
and bad markets. This strategy is especially helpful for people who receive a paycheck every 2 weeks or every month. Instead of trying to predict the future, they simply invest consistently.
Step 1. Decide how much you can comfortably invest every month. Step 2. Choose a regulated investment account, such as a brokerage or an eligible retirement account if appropriate for your situation. Step 3. Select diversified investments that match your goals and risk tolerance. Step 4. Set up automatic, recurring investments. Step 5. Stay invested for the long term and review your plan periodically.
DCA is not a guarantee of profits. If markets decline for a long period, the value of your investments can also decline. It also doesn't always outperform investing when markets rise steadily. However, many investors prefer DCA because it helps them build a consistent investing habit and reduces emotional decision-making.
Successful investing is often about discipline rather than perfection. You don't need to predict every market move. You simply need a plan and the patience to follow it. Small investments made consistently over many years can grow through the power of compounding. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start investing wisely.